Sawang-sawa na rin ba sa hamster combat? Well, try mo itong banana. But the question is, ano ba yung banana? Kung nag-farm ka ng Carve before, definitely magugustuhan mo itong bagong Telegram-based Web3 game na ipe-present ko sa'yo. This is Banana. Guys, kung familiar kayo sa Carve, ito lang po ang ginamit nilang technology in developing this game. But what makes Banana different? Well, aside from being powered by Carve, you just have to tap on here and you will get points kaagad dito sa Banana. Yes, by just tapping on your banana, you can get these points. And currently, may 8 pills pa lang tayo and kailangan natin ng 60 taps. Then yan, na-maxed out na kagad natin and we can claim a banana from this. Ayan, pwede na harvest. Ano mangyari? Boom, look at that. Whiff nana. So it's ripe. Lagyan natin sa bag. Check natin yung bag. So ayan, pwede na natin i-equip itong whiff nana to replace the default banana. Equip natin yan. And it actually gives us 360 per day na banana siguro yan. Back natin. Look at that. Na-replace na po yung banana natin. That's just how the game works. Tap the banana again. Okay? And kung tataka kayo, bakit +1 lang? It's because kaka-start pa lang natin dito. Okay? So, may mga series of tasks din dito na available. Yan. So, these tasks include binding your Carve ID, binding your X account, your email, tapos mabuboost kayo sa kanilang Telegram channels, and mostly socials talaga. Then there's also apes right here. Yung apes guys, ito po yung representation ng friends or referrals ninyo dito sa Banana. Getting back dito sa home, tap muna natin. So yun, mostly tapping din yung ginagawa natin dito. I'm thinking na talagang malaki ang naging influence ng Natcoin sa mundo ng Telegram gaming. Okay, yan di ba? Pag ginanon natin kasi medyo hindi rin effective eh. So just symbol tap, ganun lang. Yan, ma-reach kagad natin yan. Look at that. In just siguro less than a minute lang, makaka-claim nyo kagad to. Ma-upgrade kagad natin to. Yan. So, 300 na. Reaching 320, 330, 340, 350, and last 10, 360. Okay? So, we were able to do 360 pills. Okay? In less than a minute, I guess. Pero as you can see, hindi pa natin may claim yung banana dito. We still have to wait less than 4 minutes. Well, John F. Dong, isn't it another tap-to-earn game? What makes it different from other tap-to-earn games here in Telegram? Great question, my friend. Now, why go with Banana and not with other Telegram apps right now? Well, as I mentioned, this is powered by Carve, and as you can see here in one of the posts by Carve sa kanilang X account, they have total of $50 million in total funding. And that is really huge. And if you take a closer look dito sa kanilang mga backers, grabe, sobrang matitindi. Andyan na naman yung WeGG, YGG, Sandbox, Alibaba, Animoca Brands, Infinity Ventures Crypto, Fenbushi Capital, Cypher Capital, Tribe Capital, at marami pang iba. And now as we speak, makapag-claim na naman ako ng isa pang banana. Okay, so let's claim this banana. Yan. We have claimed this banana. Check natin yung bag natin. Okay, same pa rin pala, sorry. Harvest pala muna natin. Okay. Unripe. We just have to put this on our bag. Yung bag natin, makikita natin. Yun pa rin yung laman. And again, unripe. So, wala tayong nakuha doon. Okay? For now, I guess we should focus on tasks. Guys, kung makikita nyo dito sa set of tasks, merong bind Carve ID. And that is a huge hint. No, yan yung pinakamatinding hint that this is really powered by Carve. Even other tasks include this, download Carve, Play app, iOS. Ayan, download Carve sa Android. And seeing that Carve logo, ibig sabihin, this is really powered by Carve. And let me remind you mga dongs, in terms of legalities, you can't just put that Carve logo right there kung hindi ka authorized. So this just simply means that this Banana Telegram game is really powered by Carve. Anyways, let's do some tasks. So let me bind my X. Okay, we just have to log in with our X account. Okay, so you should be seeing this once you're logged in here in Banana. You just have to authorize the app. Okay, so you should be reading this if you're, doubtful of them. Open. Okay. Then we can claim these bananas. Banana peels rather. So we need to do more. 2 more of these tasks so that we can get banana. Okay, bind your email. Just have to put in an email and then put the code as well. All right, you see the email? Carve, okay. Open natin yan. So this was sent by Carve. Okay. 588680. 588680. Confirm. Then bind email successfully. Let's claim this one. Now that's 2 out of 3. And last thing to do, follow the banana game on X. Since we've already logged it here, just click on follow, get back to Telegram, then claim. Now we can claim this banana because we finished the 3 tasks. Claim that banana. Let's go home. Okay. Maybe we should just reload this. Harvest. Hopefully, a good banana. Alright, banana in the jungle. This is fully ripe. I don't know how this thing works. Let me visit my bag. Okay. Oh. So this didn't reflect, no? Kanina hindi siya nag-reflect. This zebra banana. But we have the fully ripe here. The fully ripe gives you 600 peels a day. This one's better. Let's equip this one. Alright. So there's our fully ripe banana. This gives us additional taps, no? Makita nyo, pwede pa tayo mag-tap. But again, do this at your free time. It's just, there's an option for us to tap in or to do this task. Actually, sobrang dami pang tasks dito na pwede natin gawin. And completing 3 tasks will give you a banana. How good is that, no? So now, how do you get to play this game Banana in your phone? First thing you need is Telegram, both available for Android and iOS. Now over here at my TikTok account, I have the Beacons link, beacons.ai/jfdong, or you can just visit the description of this video. Nandyan po yung mga links natin. So Beacons AI, you should be redirected here. Click on airdrops and more. Scroll down. Then here we have the banana. Yes, that banana powered by Carve. Press on it. Then you should be seeing this screen. If you can't see this, maybe because you don't have Telegram yet in your Android and iOS devices, install nyo lang yan. Then you should be seeing this screen. Just click on launch. Then yan. You have access to the banana game. Again, this is powered by Carve. In conclusion, I think maaga pa tayo dito sa banana. We're still early. So if you're planning to play this game, do it right now. Again, all of the links are in the description of this video. And yun lang guys, if you have any questions or requests, let me know down there in the comments below. And if this video helps you, hit the thumbs up. And also follow me on my other social media. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, and of course here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Don't forget to peel your bananas, ha?